The goal of the journalist outreach strategy is to find journalists who recently covered a relevant topic and pitch them your story. For example, we recently published an original research article about email marketing, and we'd like to pitch relevant journalists who would be interested in featuring it in one of their upcoming pieces. So let's see how Respona can help you find such opportunities. There are 6 total fields to fill out. The first one is your target keywords. These will be used to configure your search queries. We recommend entering 3 to 5 keywords or using Respona's AI suggestions to generate 20 additional ideas. For example, I can ask Respona to suggest subtopics and niche areas related to email marketing. Next, provide a brief but descriptive summary of your story. In our case, we'll say that we've conducted original research on cold email strategies by analyzing 12 million emails sent via our platform over the past year. We found that over 90% of emails get ignored and discovered what effective emails have in common. The description will be pulled into your email sequence. The next field is the date range. We recommend keeping it on default to automatically find the latest articles. Next, you may select your publication's desired location and language. Only use the last field if you're looking to limit the search to specific publications such as Forbes and TechCrunch. Click on Use this template to get into the campaign editor. First up, let's spice up the default template to increase our chances of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign according to the content on your recipient's website, which will increase your reply rates. Next up, finding opportunities. For this strategy, Respona uses the Google News Scraper to find opportunities. It has already put together your search queries with your target keywords, and you can also hover your cursor over the queries and click on the preview button to look at the search results before running the search. All you have to do on this screen is click continue and add some SEO filters to narrow down the results even further. Click continue again and you'll see the context search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the most relevant employees for each website, whether it's the content or SEO managers, and in this case, a specific journalist for a specific article. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around 5th grade and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring, which means every couple weeks or so. This will automatically rerun the search every couple weeks, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed, as Respona will send you an email once the automation is done. When you're ready, you can move on to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can make manual edits and, of course, review your AI variables. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects or the other journalists. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn just to create another touch point and increase your chance of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses.